Hi guys, welcome back. I haven't done a video in a while, but I have gotten a new tool in the past few weeks. I got the T3 Airbrush Duo. It comes in a box like this, really pretty. Comes like this. Now mine is not in here because I've been testing it out. It looks like this, and I've been trying this one out for the past few weeks and I love it. I love its performance so far. I think everything is great. So I have used this attachment, but I have not used this one. Today I'm going to demonstrate both so that you can see how this one works and you can see how this one works. I'll do this half with this round brush and I'll do this half with the flat paddle brush so you can see how they compare and how well they dry. All right, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so I sectioned off and detangled my hair. So now I'm just going to do this little section right here so you can see a little preview, and then I'm going to continue to do the rest. Ooh, nice. Ooh, that has a cute little swoop. See? Alright, so this round brush, see, it gives you like that salon blowout look. And that was really fast, so I'm going to continue doing the rest, and then I'll show you what it looks like completely on this side. Okay, see? That looks good to me. It did a really good job. It dries quickly. I feel like it doesn't damage my hair. Like it doesn't get too hot. Even though I put some product in, like you don't see it smoking all over the place. It's really soft. I do need a trim. I know I always say that I need a trim. And then I trim my hair and I forget to record it. So if you're interested, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will also do a video of me trimming my hair, which that might probably be next. We'll see. So I'm gonna move on to the other attachment now, this paddle brush, which I haven't tried yet, so you're gonna see my first impression of this. I have used this one before and I still love it, and it's still doing a good job. But now I want to see how this one works. To remove this, it's really simple. You just press the unlock button and you twist and pull. Really simple. That's how it looks on the inside. And to attach is just as simple. You press down, you twist and lock. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so I'm gonna do a test strand here again, so you can see a quick comparison, and then I'm gonna move forward, do the rest of my hair, and do an overall comparison. So let's go. Okay, so let's compare really quickly. All right, so this side is the rounded brush, which is this side, is obviously a little more polished, and this one is completely dry, but I don't know. I'm not really liking this so far. I feel like it doesn't give you that good pull when you want to get a blowout. But I guess it's not really for a blowout look. It's more for like a sleeker look. So let's keep going. I'm going to keep drying the rest of my hair, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, so my final thoughts. I like the round brush better. I think this side looks a lot better. It looks sleeker, even though the paddle brush is meant to give you a sleeker look. I don't think it did as good of a job at smoothing out my hair as the round brush did. I also think that the round brush gives you a better grip, a better handle on the usage that you give it. I can hold it with my left hand while I'm drying it, and I can really get that nice blowout with the rounded ends. You know, that fresh salon blowout look, in my opinion. This one, even though it's intended to give you a sleeker look, to me it's kind of giving me like Hagrid vibes, and that's not what I'm going for. At least not today, anyways. It didn't do a bad job. I just don't think it did a great job. Not like this side. This side, the round brush really did a good job at pulling at my roots, especially because you have more control with it. This one, it's not bad. It's just not my favorite. I would reach for this one 8 times out of 10 as opposed to this one. What I do like though is that it has these little bristles right here on the side, and that really helps to grip a little more. It just doesn't grip enough for me, for my hair type, because my hair is curly, so I gotta give it like a really good pull here. So unless I'm holding it down here like this and then I'm going in with the brush, it's not really pulling at my roots so well. That's just my preference for my hair type, because I have curly hair. So when I want to straighten out my hair, I have to make sure that that the brush can pull on my hair enough to straighten out my roots. Not too much. I don't want it to pull my hair out. I just wanted to do a good job at making this sleek. I would go for the round brush if I was just looking to do like a one-step thing. I don't want to flat iron my hair and I just want to blow dry my hair and go. I would go for this. It's also a little bit faster, in my opinion, than the paddle brush, because this one I have to really go over and over and over on it in order for it to get sort of sleek. I mean, it's not bad. It's like pretty sleek. It's just not to my liking. That's all. I would reach for this paddle brush if I was just looking to dry my hair really quickly. You know how like you reach for this kind of paddle brush and you quickly blow dry it with a blower. It kind of does that. And it's useful. It's just, I prefer the round brush. I could get away with only using the brown brush and not having to flat iron my hair. Now, again, that's just for my hair type. If you would like to try it, I will link it down below. So overall, I am impressed by the Duo airbrush. It's just a nice product. It was done well. You can control the temperature and how much air you have going out. It also has a cool shot. So that's something to consider, as opposed to the Revlon hairbrush. What do you call that thing? I forgot what it's called. I've had it for like 2 years now, and I did love it at first, and I don't now. So if you want to know my thoughts and what I think, and if you want me to put both of them to the test, I will do that. But so far, I think I like the T3 better. So we'll see on a future video what I think about that. you let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you like the rounded brush side, or do you like the paddle brush side? Because I might be wrong. It might just be my preference that I like this side, but maybe you think this side looks nicer. I don't know. Yeah, and I guess that's about it. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I have a mix of videos on my channel. It's pretty much a lifestyle channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. I'll see you next time.